Taste can be described as four basic sensations. These sensations include sweet, sour, salty, and bitter. These can be combined in various ways to make all other taste sensations. Taste can overlap, for example, Sour Patch goes from sour to sweet. There are up to 10,000 taste buds and as few as 500. These taste buds are situated primarily in or around the bumps of the papilla on the tongue. Each papilla contains several taste buds from which information is sent by afferent nerves to the thalamus and areas in the cortex. Taste buds are shaped as mini onions. Chemicals dissolved with saliva produce nerve impulses going to the parietal lobe. Brain changes impulses to taste. Taste buds are replaced every 10 days from being worn out. Taste begins in the trenches of your tongue. Saliva helps absorb and break down the food which absorbs into the trenches of the taste buds. This is stimuli of taste. Let's talk about taste buds themselves. They are shaped as mini onions. The chemicals in food are dissolved by saliva, which produce nerve impulses that go to the parietal lobe. The brain then changes the impulses to taste. Taste and smell are similar. Have you ever smelled something repulsive? Or tasted something bitter? Our bodies naturally try to avoid anything bitter or spoiled. This is because both smell and taste can send signals to your body not to ingest the poisonous food. Your nose has 6 million receptor cells, which are also 10,000 times more sensitive than taste. This is how your body can warn you of any poisonous smells. Smell works at dramatically larger distances than that of taste. The process of smelling is as follows. 1. Vaporized odor molecules floating in the air reach the nostrils and dissolve in the mucus, which is on the root of each nostril. 2. Underneath the mucus in the olfactory epithelium, specialized receptor cells called olfactory receptor neurons detect the odor. These neurons are capable of detecting thousands of different odors. The olfactory receptor neurons transmit the information to the olfactory bulbs, which are located at the back of the nose. The olfactory bulbs has sensory receptors that are actually part of the brain, which send messages directly to the most primitive brain center where they influence emotions and memories. The olfactory bulbs has sensory receptors that are actually part of the brain, which send messages directly to the most primitive brain centers, which are influenced emotions and memories, and higher centers where they modify conscious thought. 5. These brain centers perceive odors and access memories to remind us about people, places, or events associated with these olfactory sensations. About 80% of what we taste is actually due to our sense of smell. Humans are able to distinguish over 10,000 different odor molecules. Olfactory stimuli are various chemicals carried in the air. Upper nose has receptor cells. Its function is to transform chemical reactions to nerve impulses. We adapt to smell, no longer smelling our own deodorant or perfume. Functions of olfaction: intensify taste of food, warn us of dangerous food, bring back memories. Animals use smell to locate food, mate, and territory.